My student Bakara from SMS 1D. This is my presentation of outcome-based of assessment midterm. This is my question number 1. What recommendation can you make with regards to the three issues and concerns of the information technology in the hospitality industry? Three types of the major issue and concern in information technology with the hospitality industry include the cybersecurity threats and data privacy concern and system downtime or periods. Here come the recommendation for each. 1. Cybersecurity threats, hacking, phishing, and malware. Recommendation: implement the robust firewall and attribute software to protect the hotel network. Regularly update software and system to patch security and vulnerability. Conduct cybersecurity training for employees to recognize phishing scam and suspension activities. The multi-factor authentication MFA for staff access to the critical system. Number 2. Data privacy concern. Guest information recommendation. Comply with data protection regulation like GDPR or PICDSS for handling guest information. Verify all sensitive data, include guest payment and details to private authorized access. Implement secure cloud storage with regular backups to prevent data loss. Number 3. System downtime and periods. Hotel booking and POS system issue. Recommendation: use the reduction serves and cloud-based system to ensure continuous operation and even during periods. Conduct the regular system maintenance and software updates and prevent unexpected cases. Have a backup power supply, USB or generator to keep system running during the power outage. Train staff or manual process in case of system downtime to ensure smooth hotel operation. By implementing these recommendations, hotel can enhance their IT security protections, guest data, and maintain seamless operation, leading to better customer trust and service efficiency. Question number 2. How can business owners, managers ensure that business tools are used properly by their employees? Business owners and managers can ensure that business tools are used properly by their employees through the following strategies. Number 1. Implement clear policy and guidance. Develop and enforce standard operating process SOPs for using the business tools. Provide employees with a user manual or guidelines on proper tool. Set the rules security, maintenance, and reporting issues related to business tools. Number 2. Provide comprehensive training. Conduct regular training sessions or to educate employees on proper tools usage. Offer hand-on demonstration and refreshers concerns. Question number 3. Identify 3 security tools that are ideal in keeping the tools and technology in hospitality industry. Explain which department in the hotel the security tools will be useful and how. Here are 3 security tools idea for protectioning tools and technology in hospitality industry. Number 1. Surveillance camera CCTV system. Department security, front desk housekeeping and IT. How to use food. Monitors hotel premises to prevent the vandalism and authorized access. Ensure great safety and in common areas like lobbies, hallway, and parking lots. Helps in monitoring staff activities to maintain services standard and prevent internal fraud. Assist in reviewing incidents for investigation. Number 2. Access to control system, key card or biometric entry system. Department security, front desk and HR. How to use pool. Restrict the unauthorized access to hotel rooms, staff-only areas, and sensitive locations like servers' room. Enhance guest security by ensuring only authorized individuals can enter designated areas. HR helps to attract employee attend and movement for accountability. Number 3. Cybersecurity software, firewall, antivirus, and data anticipation tools. Department, IT and front desk. How to use pool. Protect the guest and hotel data from cyber threats such as hacking, malware, and phishing attacks. Security payment subtraction and personal guest information stored in hotel system. Ensure most operation of hotel booking and management software and preventing cyber disruption.